Morning everyone. Today marks our very first interview with our gig on our YouTube channel. I am Caroline Mashilo, your junior project manager at NCDEV, and right away our gig will introduce himself.
Hi everyone, my name is Aaron Moremane. I'm a geek, one of the geeks here by NCDEV, MTN App Academy.
Okay, so we're gonna start right away. What was your initial thought when registering with the MTN App Academy?
Okay, at first when I heard about this academy, what came to my mind was to actually uplift my skills, develop my skills, and to become actually more of a developer than a other graphic designing and stuff like that. So yeah.
What is your experience regarding the beginner classes?
Okay, for me it was a bit easier because I had a little bit of background concerning coding and developing and programming and computer wise and everything around surrounding computers. So for me it was a bit easier, but there was a bit of challenges somewhere somehow.
Okay, I hear you. Did you perhaps maybe experience any challenges with the modules you did?
Yeah, the business module was actually for me quite a challenge because that was the first time I actually did that, incorporated that into IT, information technology, because I really never did that before. So it was for me the first time that I did it here, and it worked out well. So, yeah.
Okay. So tell us more, what is your coding background?
Okay, I started coding, actually not coding, I started with information technology around about 2009 and 10 for those 2 years. I didn't get a chance to finish because funds was a bit hectic at that time back in the day. So I did information technology and with the guys there, they helped us with coding and they introduced coding to us. But it wasn't actually for me that much of a gig for me because I was into graphic designing, photography, and getting to know the computer even more. But coding was for me a challenge back then. So yeah.
Okay. What can you advise the youth that want to associate with the ICT department and stuff like that?
First of all, I would like to say the world is changing, the lifestyle is changing, and technology is advancing. So, in order for you to adapt into the changing lifestyle and everything happening around, because nowadays we're using online application forms and everything is being done online. So, in order for you to get acquainted and easier for you to make your life easier, get to know about more about ICT or what technology is all about, and all that it will help you in the future.
Youth, I hope you heard him. So tell us, what is your favorite app actually?
Okay, when I go into my phone, my favorite app is actually I have this coding editor on my phone where I go actually to go there to practice my coding. I think that is actually quite helping because I get addictive on that because I want to explore more. I wouldn't say Facebook and all this because it's everybody's favorite app. So, but for me, there is this coding editor on my phone where I go in and I make sure every day of it makes sure that it grabs me every day in order for me to utilize it.
So why did you actually choose it as your favorite app? What makes it more interesting for you?
Because it helps me to explore more and to learn more and to use my skills that I've acquired here by the MTN App Academy. So for me, that's my favorite app on that phone.
Last but not least, tell us who introduced you to NCDEV Academy, NCDEV ecosystem, and what's your experience with them?
Okay, my experience, okay, there. How can I say it? We had this program back then at the library whereby Kristen and Keenan came to us where I used to work. It's a non-profit organization, I won't mention the name. they came there and they approached us and they asked us if we don't want to partake in this MTN DL40 program that was happening there. Geek Culture was there. I think it was hosted by Geek Culture or something like that. But yeah, that's where I got introduced on NCDEV, and yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Aaron Moremane. You heard him, guys, and this is the end of our interview. Bye.
Bye.